What's up, you guys? It's RJ. We are here to check out some more ASTRO. ASTRO has more music that I have still not listened to yet, and even I've seen there's like a bunch more dance practices for songs that I don't know. And so we are going to be checking out 4 songs today. We've got Cat's Eye, Breathless, I almost said Breathless, Breathless, Hide and Seek, and Confession. So yeah, I'm really excited to check these out. So let's get to it. I feel like I can already tell all of these are much brighter concepts. So let's check these out. Cat's Eye first. Yeah, let's go. Oh, they look like babies. Wow, this is 2016. Oh my God, who's that? Was that Sana with braces? Wait. I have to remember this is like 2016. This is 6 years ago. Jin's hair. Oh, talent show. Moonbin was sleeveless in 2016 as well. Not surprised. Jeez, how old was Sana? Rocky was still killing it, 2016. 장화시는 고양이 같은 눈빛 내 맘 다 훔쳐갈 것 같지만 좋아 그대만 허락할게요 Only you 그대가 유일하죠 말도 못해요 Only you I like you feeling like this 많이 순진해 그래서 불안해 Wow, okay, the low vocals. Only you just only you 그대가 유일하죠 말도 못해요 Only you just only you I like you feeling like this Okay, now while that definitely wasn't one of my favorite ASTRO songs, I still had fun with it, but it also kind of reminded me, I felt like it was like taken from like a K-drama, or maybe that's just how they wanted you to accept it, because it looked like it was like some type of talent show. They were being judged in the audience to see, like, I guess the performance essentially, but that's kind of what it gave me. It literally felt like I was watching like Top Management, which is what Unu was in later on. I don't know when Top Management came out actually, but that was the first thing I even saw Unu in, and then that's how I found out about ASTRO. But I don't remember when Top Management came out. I didn't watch it when it came out. I saw it like years later. Maybe not years, but like it was definitely in 2021, maybe. I don't know. All right, let's move on to Breathless. Let's see if we have captions here. We do not. That's okay. Let's go. Feet. What's going on? Oh, there's soda? Soda bottles? What is happening here? They have a duck. Is that a goose? I don't know. It's so crazy how bright the music was back then. Ooh, I've seen this place before a couple times. This is a very interesting concept, you know? I don't think I've ever seen a music video where the group was basically a soda or just a drink bottle or in place of one. That was a very interesting music video, very fun. Another super bright song. Definitely not necessarily my style, but I still had fun with it. Like, honestly, brighter concepts are very hit or miss for me, mainly because if it's too bright, it can lean on the side of very like young and youthful, almost kind of childlike. So I feel like this was maybe a bit past that line of where I probably fit. It was like a little bit over here, but not to the point where I just like, it was just too bright that I couldn't enjoy it or anything like that. It was definitely a lot of fun. Absolutely nothing wrong with bright concepts because I do enjoy them. But it just definitely depends on, I guess, the concept and maybe the sound of the song. But yeah, this was a lot of fun. I would be excited to see the dance practice for that too, because I think they do have one. Okay, our next song is Hide and Seek. I've definitely seen the link for the dance practice for this one, so I know they do have one. But let's go ahead and check this one out. Is that Uno? Why does he look so different? His cheeks are like fuller. Oh, that's definitely him. Yeah, I can see it in his eyes. It's so crazy how different some of them look. I think Sana is the biggest surprise. The footwork though. Whoa, where did this come from? Green palettes. You know, this music video is kind of reminding me of, I think it was Baby. Okay, the switch ups though. They're so cute. Oh, it's their logo. I'm tilting my head like I can read it. Okay. Yeah, I'm pretty sure it was Baby, that the music video, I think when I said I watched that, when I was watching that, the music video had such intense colors. It was so bright. Like not necessarily the song was bright too, but the music video was just so bright. So bright. Like all the colors were just like so bright, like highlighter bright. But I really enjoyed that. And I really enjoyed this song as well. This one was actually kind of surprising for me. I wasn't sure in what direction it was going to go the way that, given the way that it began. But the middle switch ups in the beat were actually pretty cool. A nice little break between the other, like with the other two songs that were pretty consistent throughout. It was fun to watch this one and have it kind of be a bit surprising, I guess. All right, our final song we have is called Confession. Let's go. Oh, I just realized I have no captions. I'm assuming this was a breakup. That was not a nice thing to do. She's an artist. You know?
수많은 사람 중에 하필 아픈 사랑하는 건데 또 난 왜 너만 보이는 건데 맘 아프게 예쁜 눈에 눈물 나지 않게 발그레진 두 볼에 입 맞출게 너 오늘부터 내 거 할래 어느 틈에 주워진 너의 손에 따뜻하게 마음을 모아 입김을 불어줄게 영원히 내 거 할래 사랑만이 다 줄게 난 너 아니면 못 살아 마음은 절대 안 변해 네가 내 눈에 떴잖아 펴잖아 네 옆자리 내가 거기서 떡하니 서 있으면 딱 끝내 이것 봐 넌 내 거잖아 이젠 대답해줘 꼭꼭꼭 시간만 흐르고 틱택톡 가을이 다가오고 너의 느낌은 색다르고 널 바라보는 나 지켜보던 날 이제는 밀지 않기를 바래 수많은 사람 중에 하필 아픈 사랑하는 건데 oh 안돼 이제는 고백할게 오랫동안 기다렸던 만큼 맡겨줄게 어제까지 친구였지만 오늘부터 내가 네난 혼자 할게 좋아서 미치겠어 널 보면 멈춰있어 내 맘이 어쩔 줄을 몰라 밤새 뒤척였어 매일이 새로웠어 너 때문에 설레였어 오늘 하루 넌 어떻게 생각해 이젠 친구야 예쁜 눈에 눈물 나지 않게 발그레진 두 볼에 입 맞출게 너 오늘부터 내 거 할래 어느 틈에 주워진 너의 손에 따뜻하게 마음을 모아 입김을 불어줄게 영원히 내 거 할래 날 믿어준 내게 이렇게
That store called Mommy's.
좋아해요 이런 내 맘이 들리나요
Why are we crying? What was that about? Well, that ending was surprisingly sad. I don't really know what happened there. I'm trying to like piece it together, but I don't think I can. Like I said, it seemed like the girl got dumped at the beginning. And the guy kind of blasted her papers everywhere, but the drawing that was on the ground seemed to be these guys, a band called Autumn. And I'm assuming they followed her around in like, make-believe or imaginariness or whatever you want to call that, and I don't know, made her feel better basically. But I don't know what was up with that ending though. That was a bit ominous, I guess. It's also very interesting that ASTRO had such a brighter concept in their earlier days, because now, I mean, not that they've like completely abandoned bright concepts or anything like that, but it's very interesting to see how they began and the music that they are currently making now, especially Moonbin and Sana. Like, their music is definitely a lot darker. But I always think that's just really cool to see how groups evolve and how they just develop into their own sound and end up making their own music and what that ends up sounding like. Thanks so much for hanging out with me here, you guys. If you liked the video, leave a like and a comment and subscribe. Hit the notification bell if that's your thing, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Later.